My gosh, I ruined Jules's birthday.
Well, I did.
Yeah, you're probably right.
I don't even know why she likes me.
Come on, you're her biggest cheerleader. You're always pushing her to do new stuff. I just hold her back.
Please. You two have all this shared history. I mean, you gained and lost 10 pounds with her during her divorce. I would never do that. I get stretch marks from snoring too hard.
You make it too easy to judge you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Hey, while we wait for Jules to come back, do you think it'd be okay if we drank some champagne?
Jules would want that.